Guys, ito po yung hotel namin guys. Diyan kami mag-check-in ngayon. Cincinnati Hotel guys.
Yeah.
This is the downtown Cincinnati. See? Cincinnati Downtown Stadium. Sorry, masyadong matraffic dito guys. See?
We're gonna pass yung stadium ng Cincinnati Bengals.
Ayan guys, oh.
Ganda ng church ng kuya.
Yeah, old church guys.
Yeah.
The old church of Cincinnati. Diyan kinasal sila Patricia Hinkson. Popular celebrity here in Cincinnati. Okay. So na yung bridge guys. Ito yung control tower guys ng airport. Hotel pala. Columbus. We're going to Columbus. And Ohio. The old bridge of Cincinnati. Shit.
Yan yung Bengals.
Huh?
Bengal Stadium.
This is the Bengal Stadium. Dito guys, dumayo yung PBA noong 1993. Dito guys. Bengal Stadium. Stadium.
Football Stadium.
Football Stadium. Ayun yung hotel namin guys. Malapit na. Dito po tayo ngayon sa Columbus. Columbus, Nueva Vizcaya.